I want to talk about these compressed hand towels that the brand sent me to do a video on. These things are pretty cool. First of all, they kind of look like mints. They definitely are not mints. You don't want to eat these. You see right here, you get 100 right there, and it's easy. You got that little tablet there, and really small. All you do is add a little bit of water. It's going to plump up, and it's going to be a nice hand towel for you to wipe your hands, wipe your face, whatever the case. You see right there, it opens right up. Now these are going to be extremely valuable. I'm going to have some of these in my hiking pack, in my hunting pack. I'm going to keep some in my truck at all times. Like I said, they're really light, really small, so they're going to be easy to carry around and have them when you need them. If you'd like to pick some up for yourself, click on the link in the description below.